The ego, the nafs, the lower self, is like a baby. It will continue to grow and continue to suckle until it is weaned. And when it is weaned, it is weaned. That's when it becomes mature. There comes a point with every baby when it has to be taken, maybe crying, away from the mother's breast and has to be given solid food, cow's milk, other things. That's part of the process of growing up. We need to remember that that's a lesson for us as well. How often we just sleepily suck away at the desires of this world, hoping for the next one, snacking, indulging, scrolling, all of these things, and it's kind of like an uncontrolled child. This is an age of undisciplined adults, of childish adults. But the believer is the one who is the master of that, who is weaned, who is truly an adult, a real man or a real woman. And so the same poet goes on to say, مَنْ لِي بِرَدِّ جَمَاحٍ مِنْ غَوَايَتِهَا كَمَا يُرَدُّ جِمَاحُ الْخَيْلِ بِاللُّجُمِ. So now he comes up with another metaphor and he says, who is going to help me to control this stubborn stallion that's galloping away with me? Where will I find the reins to control it and pull it back? What's he referring to? The stallion is the nafs, the ego, the source of these powerful impulses. I really want to do this. I really want to look at that. I really want to do the other thing. I'm tired. I need a break. I need. How are we going to find the reins to pull back that stallion? And it's that stallion that promises us excitement that causes all of the misfortunes of the human family. In families, between families, in neighborhoods, in the world. The environmental crisis. We're just gobbling and guzzling. We're not pulling ourselves back. وَرَائِهَا وَهِيَ فِي الْأَعْمَالِ سَائِمَةٌ وَإِنْ هِيَ اسْتَحْلَتِ الْمَرْعَى فَلَا تُصِمِ. And watch it and be a good shepherd to it as it is grazing in the field of pleasures and desires. The ego is kind of like a sheep. It sees, oh, there's nice sweet grass there, and it nibbles. And then it says, there's another sweet treat over there, and it goes over there, and that's its life. And so he's saying to the shepherd, if the ego desires a particular area and finds it completely sweet and delightful, then don't graze there. Watch out. If you're a sheep, what are you? Munching away like the materialists of this age, consuming this, consuming that, enjoying this treat, watching that until you fall over dead, and that's life. Like sheep. We don't eat grass, but we're eating just about everything else. And a sheep munches and munches, but never once does it look up. And we are required by the prophetic call to look up, to see heaven. But this must be balanced. وَلَا تَنْسَ نَصِيبَكَ مِنَ الدُّنْيَا. Allah is saying, don't forget your portion of this world. It is not wrong to love earning a living and to love one's income if one is doing positive things with one's income. Getting a good education for your children. Buying a car that can take them to school. Taking them on Hajj and Umrah. Keeping your wife in the manner to which she is accustomed. Helping the poor, paying your zakat. These are honorable things, good things. There's nothing wrong with that. So when we talk about overcoming the ego's desire for stuff, we're talking about the ego's desire for stuff, not what is legitimate, the good things. The legitimate zina or adornment of this world can be ours. And this is what we mean by the way of balance.